Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Worldcoin to Binance. First of all, after you open up your phone, go and open up now your Binance app. After you open Binance, go to assets. So from this asset, go to deposit. After you come to this deposit, go and search for Worldcoin in this option. Search for Worldcoin. So as you can see now, if you type in like World, you will be able to see it. Now here is the Worldcoin, select it. After you select the Worldcoin, go and select the Worldcoin chain. So now it will give you address. Tap on this OK and copy the address. After you copy the address, now go back to your Worldcoin app. Here is it. After you open the Worldcoin app like this now, all you have to do now, just tap on this option. So from this option now, you can be able to see the Worldcoin that you want to withdraw. For me now, I don't have enough Worldcoin on my wallet. That's why it's just giving me this option. Go and select the Worldcoin. Let's say this is my Worldcoin. After you select the Worldcoin like this now, just tap on this three dot at the top. You'll be able to see a withdrawal under this receive and buy. After you tap on the withdrawal, from there you can paste in the address that you copy from your Binance account. From there, if you tap on withdraw, now you send or you withdraw your money from Worldcoin app to Binance. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.